Understanding, make or break, in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, make or break. This phrase is commonly used but can be confusing for English learners. So, let's unravel its meaning together and see how it can be used in different contexts. Remember, understanding such phrases can enhance your fluency in English. Make or break is an adjective phrase that describes a situation or a moment that is crucial to success or failure. If something is make or break, it means that it can either lead to great success, make, or complete failure, break. This phrase emphasizes the importance and the critical nature of a moment, decision, or event. Understanding the origins of phrases can make them easier to remember. The phrase, make or break, comes from the idea of a situation being so critical that it will either make a success or break it into failure. This concept is common in various high-stakes scenarios, like business, sports, or personal decisions. 1. Job interviews. The job interview is a make or break moment for many candidates. 2. Business deals. This deal is a make or break opportunity for our startup. 3. Examinations. For students, final exams are often make or break situations. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in different contexts, highlighting its versatility and relevance. It's helpful to know synonyms for better understanding and usage. Some synonyms include critical, decisive, pivotal, do or die, more informal. Understanding these synonyms can help you recognize the phrase in different forms of communication. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of make or break. Remember, learning such phrases can significantly boost your English language skills. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use make or break in your conversations or writings. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of English.